In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Drive to your Windows taskbar. To get started, open your web browser and search for Drive Download. This will take you to the download options for Google Drive, and from there you'll want to click the result for Google Drive Download. Make sure you're selecting the official Google page so you get the correct and most up-to-date version of the app. Once you're on the Google Drive Download page, look for the button that says Download Drive for Desktop and click it. This version lets you access your Google Drive files directly from your Windows computer, which makes it much easier to open, sync, and manage your files without needing to go through the browser every time. After you click the Download button, wait for the installation file to finish downloading. Depending on your browser and internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. When the file is ready, open it and follow the on-screen setup process. Just go through the installation prompts as they appear on your screen. This part is important because Windows needs to fully install Google Drive before you can pin it to your taskbar. Next, complete the Google Drive setup. Follow the instructions shown by the installer so the app is properly added to your computer. If Windows asks for permission to install the software, allow it so the process can continue smoothly. Once setup is finished, Google Drive should now be available on your desktop or in your installed apps. Now move to your Windows desktop and find Google Drive. If you see the Google Drive icon there, that's perfect. This is the shortcut you'll use to place it on the taskbar for quick access. Having it on the taskbar makes it much more convenient, especially if you use Google Drive often throughout the day. When you find the Google Drive icon, right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, choose Pin to Taskbar. As soon as you click it, Windows will place the Google Drive icon on your taskbar so you can launch it anytime with a single click. And that's it. You've successfully added Google Drive to your Windows taskbar. From now on, it'll be easier to open Google Drive whenever you need it without searching for it each time. If the icon doesn't appear right away, give Windows a moment and check your taskbar again. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to add Google Drive to your Windows taskbar.